Hello, and thanks for joining me on my spring sweet pea planting journey in Western Washington Zone 8B. We're going to get some happy little these. We're going to fill these with water, and we're going to put our sweet peas in them. That's what we're going to do. Where am I gonna put them? Making decisions here. I should put them on the top. All right, I gotta do some cleanup.
Take a breath, hang out with me. Find yourself in Candle's greenhouse.
Okay, and decided I wanted to try black labels with metallic silver Sharpie. So that's what I'm doing. You can see I started making some tags, and I will make some right now so you can tell what I'm doing. Okay, here's my pile of sweet peas. Do I have more sweet peas? I showed you one just a minute ago, right? Yeah, okay. So let's do this one. So the way I'm making my label, here's the thing. I'm doing a little date on the top, 3/1, and then I'm writing what it is. Color palette, Cupid, sweet pea. And then at the bottom, that probably will go under the soil, I write where it's from. I have like a little shorthand. So Renee. And then on the back, I'm trying to learn like the real names for things. So I write Lathyrus odoratus. Lathyrus, it's probably Lathyrus, that sounds better. Lathyrus odoratus. And that helps me learn the Latin name, which is more accurate. So they're not telling me color palette Cupid with that. They're just telling me it's a good smelling pea, right? Which, you know, that's useful. So far, to get ready for soaking the peas, I have made labels, made room on my tiny tidy tray, gathered water trays, and cleared some space on top of my bamboo grow stand. Now I'm going to show you the 9 varieties that we will be planting together in the studio today, in the greenhouse tomorrow, and then if all goes well, out in the garden in a few weeks. Give me scissors. What happens is the tops of these packages have sticky stuff on them a lot of times, and then the seeds get stuck. It's not such a problem with sweet pea seeds because they're pretty big. But it can be a problem with littler seeds. I feel like I don't like adding water after the seeds. It's making me nervous. Okay, who's next? And we're gonna save these packages in case we have questions about anything on the back. It tells you when you can sow them, how long it takes them to germinate, some other stuff. So I don't want to throw them away until I'm sure that I know all that information. Okay, these next ones are from Silver Lake. They're called Spencer Ice Cream Sweet Peas. Where's my tag? Oh, it fell over here. Okay, let's put the tag down. Put my sweet peas in. Put them in the bag. This is a very nice routine. I like this routine. Okay, let's put it right away on the tag so that we don't get confused. Next we have Royal Choice Salmon Pink Sweet Pea. Set the tag down. I don't know. I'm just gonna put the seeds in. You know? I'm not sure when I want to add the water. Probably first. Since I've got control over the water, I won't put too much in. Okay. Soapy soap. Next one. High scent sweet pea. Blue Ripple sweet pea. Gorgeous. Very nice. These work. Elegance watermelon. Oh, that's a gorgeous package. Baker Creek does a good job with their packaging. Blue Reflections. I was in a blue mood when I ordered seeds, apparently. All right, so this one, it's got this kind of sticky, annoying thing. So I'm just gonna cut the smallest amount off the top to open it because I don't need to reseal it. I'm using the whole package. And it's annoying because I won't be able to see the information on the top if I rip that. The top tells me stuff when it's packed for lot number, whatever, in case I care about that stuff. April in Paris, sweet pea. Gorgeous. All right, same thing. This, gonna snip the top off here. Heirloom electric blue. This says container. What do you think that means? Special species sweet pea with dainty and enticing blue blossoms on short vines. Okay, so it's supposed to be shorter. I love that. Sometimes sweet peas are very unruly. I want this to work. Please work. Oh, those seem bigger. Cool. All right. So there's my bag of sweet pea seeds. For now, I'm gonna put them up next to my sweet peas and then I'll decide what to do with them later. Well, I meant to soak the sweet peas overnight, but I got busy and ended up soaking them for about 36 hours. They seem okay, and some even started to sprout roots. Here, I'm draining the water into a container so I can recover any sweet peas that accidentally fall out. I'm going to share another video about that cute little paper heart made of seeds at the bottom of the tray there. I also had to soak it overnight, so it hung out with the sweet peas for a little while. Now it's in some dirt and we will see if it sprouts, and I will share the results with you in a future video. Then I'm stacking the containers carefully so I can take them out to the greenhouse for planting. There you can see the little roots coming out of the seeds. I'm going to speed up the video a little bit because this is pretty much the same process over and over again. In one of these you'll see a few of the sweet pea seeds fall into the water. That's why I didn't just dump them directly into the sink. If you have a colander, of course, oh, there they go. If you have a colander, of course you can use that. I just didn't have one in my studio at the time, so this was the best I could do. I suppose I could have used one of those trays with holes in the bottom. I didn't think about that until now. Whoa, look how big those are. These are the seeds I noticed yesterday. When I put them in the water, they looked a little bigger than the others. They're the container electric blue seeds. I'm looking for the tag right now. Heirloom electric blue. I'm going to show you a comparison with how the rest of the sweet peas look and then the big ones. Look at those size differences. They look almost twice as big. Pretty crazy. I'm really curious to see what they look like when they grow. Let me know in the comments if you've experienced this with sweet peas, some seeds being bigger than others. Definitely need 2 hands to carry them out. Don't worry, I make it safely. Hooray, you made it to the end of the sweet pea seed prep, and now we're ready for planting. In true YouTube style, we will save the planting for the next video, but here's a sneak peek. Thanks for visiting me in the studio, and I look forward to seeing you in the greenhouse for a wheelbarrow full of pea planting.
Take a breath, hang out with me. Find yourself in Candle's greenhouse.